How much did you have to pay, Boa?
150.
And the other fine?
Nothing.
So yeah guys, Boa still hasn't received a fine for his bike, so we assume that he's not getting one. It's been over a month, so yeah, I don't know how long it usually takes. So we are selling the bike, both bikes as you guys know. And because we're both selling them, we're also selling all the other stuff that we have in the garage, because there's a ton of stuff that we still have, random parts. So yeah, we're going to take all of those out and put them online. Okay guys, so this is I think everything that we still have laying around, just random parts. We have two exhausts, a front fender, is it? Yeah, it's a front fender. Two headlights, one is right there, one is over there. What the fuck are you doing? A seat, handlebars, two rear springs, my speedometer and stuff, two air filters. We have lots of winkers and other lights. We have tail lights. We have a lot of foot rests, whatever that's called. Stop making so much noise! A lot of foot rests. A box full of random shit. Apparently we have another exhaust. Holy shit. We have all kinds of stuff, just grab bars. So yeah, what's that? Headlight ring?
Yeah. I think now we have basically everything.
Yeah, maybe something somewhere else still.
Yeah, probably.
How did you get 3 mirrors?
One is from the bike I have now and 2 other from my previous bike.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, makes sense. We still have brand new bar and mirrors, along with brand new, what's that called? The thing that holds your handlebar, I don't know what it's called, it's right there. And brand new exhaust, that's a brand new exhaust. It's like
just a little bit dirty, but that's...
Yeah, it just needs to be cleaned. It's like it has like 50 kilometers on it. So yeah, we're not sure if we should sell all this or start a project.
Well, we can sell like some stuff of it, like one exhaust we can sell.
Now we can make a twin exhaust. We just need a frame.
Yeah.
Preferably something cheap. Okay, so bikes are inside. We're going to start disassembling Boa's bike because he's going to sell it in parts. So first thing Boa is going to take off is this windscreen. So if you guys are interested in any of these parts that are on this bike, you could also PM us on Facebook. We could sell it to you guys. All this stuff is so dusty that you could just ride on it. We'll definitely have to clean it before we sell or use it again. If any of you guys by any chance have a cheap frame that you don't use, we are interested in buying it. We would like to make a project out of this. So our first taking off the over sticker that's on here. We're going to use this heat gun that Bo is holding. It should work. And we're sorry guys, the lighting isn't the best in here. Okay, let's try not to melt your windscreen. Okay guys, we got the sticker completely off, but as you guys can see, it left a lot of residue, so we'll have to clean it with a little bit of soap and water. So guys, Bo decided to first take it off and then wash it, so that's what we're going to do now. It is pretty easy to take it off, just 2 nuts and bolts holding it in, one on the right side and one on the left side, which Bo is already loosening up. Ta-da! Now we need to just put those bolts back in, because not only do they hold the windscreen, but they also hold the whole headlight. So don't forget to put the bolts back when you remove the windscreen. Guys, look, I put it on my PBR. To be honest, it doesn't look that bad. This is how it looks when you're sitting on it. No, it's not in the exact right spot. To be honest, it doesn't look that bad. Bo is now taking off the headlights because he thinks he has to. Yeah, Bo, why are you taking off the headlights?
Because the bolts aren't tightening up, so I think there's thing inside that dropped out into the headlights that makes sure that the bolts tighten up.
A nut.
I forgot the name, but yeah, that's yeah.
Okay guys, Bo was correct. There are nuts in here that are supposed to hold them. So yeah, that's what we learned today. Okay, everything is fixed. The windshield is off. Still have to clean it. How much do you want for it, Bo?
I want 200 euros for it.
Seriously?
No, I think 15, but I don't know what it costs new, so I'm first going to look it up and then put a price on it. I think it's probably going to be 10 euros or less. I think it costs 20 or 50 euros when you buy it new.
Okay guys, if you're interested in a awesome windshield, black, smoky, see-through kind of.
This will be gone.
Yeah, we will clean it.
Going to clean it.
If you're interested, you could message us on the Facebook page. If not, then don't bother. What are we going to do next episode, Bo? What are we going to take off? The exhaust?
Probably the exhaust, but for that there's already a buyer, so
Ooh.
yeah.
So
Unless you give 500 euros or 300 euros for
so yeah, the exhaust is already reserved, as you guys hear, but we're taking it off next episode.
Yeah.
Maybe along with something else, maybe the seat or something. Who knows?
Probably the seats or the fenders.
Or the seat and the fender.
Yeah, or just everything in one episode.